Hi, welcome back to EducateTube.com. My name is Sipsky, your host. Last week I showed you this green glass cutter used to cut glass, and I said it did an okay job, but I don't think it was that safe. I wouldn't recommend it. However, I said that maybe it should be used to cut rocks. Maybe it's a better application. So this week I want to talk about that. Let's get started. All right, so here it is. This is the green glass cutter. I got it for less than 10 bucks online. You probably get even cheaper than this, depending on where you shop. And it was marketed as cutting glass. So I tried that last week. You can check the video from the previous week, and you'll find out that it can do that, but the problem is it's not very safe. There was some glass particulates that flies out, and thank goodness I was wearing safety goggles and it was flying away from me. But I was thinking, what if it's flying towards me? I would actually get injured, especially around my face. So that's why I wouldn't recommend using this to cut glass if you don't know what you're doing, and you might want to use the proper tools. However, for cutting rocks, it's a different story. So cutting rocks, you just still have to wear your safety goggles, right? Or safety shields. I think cutting the rocks are probably better. And I'm going to show you right now. You can check the video at the end, or maybe a glimpse of it here, and you can see the result. It's quite smooth. I will still have to smooth it out with different sandpaper and using different grinders, but you can see it can be cut, and it's quite good actually. And I'm going to show you the video at the end, and you can see that. And the result is not bad at all, as you can see, and I think it's pretty safe. You still have to wear your safety goggles, obviously, and just be careful when you're cutting it. But I think this green glass cutter is definitely very useful for cutting rocks, and it's very affordable. And I'm going to try to cut different rocks. You can check the video now and see how it turns out. But that's all I want to do. I'm going to just show you how I cut these rocks and different type of rocks. In the future, I want to show you these rocks can be made into a gemstone, and you could use it as a necklace or a bracelet or whatever, or even a ring, put in a ring. So that's probably a very good application, and also being able to split rocks using this angle grinder. Okay, so what we're going to do is we can use it to cut rocks with this glass cutter, and then use this grinder to smooth out the rocks. So we are able to use this tool that could work for both applications. So check the video at the end. I'm going to be trying to cut different rocks and have a look at it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a little heart of appreciation. Bye.